Facebook is hoping to price its shares between $28 and $35, but does that make the stock a bargain? I'm here with Brian Hamilton. He's the CEO of SageWorks. So let's put it in perspective, because sometimes people, they see this price for Facebook and they go, but I love the company and that seems like a fair price to me. But let's compare that to, say, Apple. How does this valuation work?
Right. We can look at Apple, and right now, if there were comparable multiples used for Apple stock, the price of that company, or the valuation, would be in excess of $2 trillion. So right now, with Facebook going out, they're going to be probably priced between 20 and 25 times sales, which is a very high price for the stock, given both its financial performance on the sales end and its profitability.
And we're not talking about the company, because the company,
Right.
you know, it's all good with the
Right.
company. We're just talking about the price.
No question about it. I mean, there's some real positives here. There's no doubt about it. We use it, but just because you use it, of course, doesn't mean you should buy the stock. But we use it. They've got great market presence. It reminds me a little bit of Microsoft in that they kind of dominate their space. Sales are going up. There's profits in the companies. As you know, with some of these IPOs, you really look at them and you're just bewildered. Why would the company even go public? Because there's no profits. So that's check, check, check. That's all positive for Facebook. But when you look at this company and its valuation specifically, and you compare it, say, to Microsoft, which traded when it first came out in the public market at about 5 times sales, you really have to be wonder, where was that valuation derived, or how it was derived, because Facebook's really going to be at 25 times sales in the valuation model, which is extraordinary, it really is. As an investor, look at historical trends in the IPO market, look at its sales, look at its profitability, and you're buying a very richly valued stock. There's no question.
All right, so if you're going to buy Facebook, Brian's saying take your time, take a look at it, and make sure that you're buying it at a price that is going to make you money and be a bargain and not too overpriced.
This market is
stock pickers market.
Stocks have rallied this year.
We're coming into a Monday where we're going to